I am going to share with you the link where you can download this application on your PC and use for free. Few days ago, I created an application using Cloud Code from the beginning to the end. You can pour in or upload your project data and it will analyze your data and help you write your chapter 4 and chapter 5. But few days ago, when I created this, it could only work on my system because I did not host it online. So I thought of doing something with it. So I converted it to an application that can run entirely on your PC. So I have the application and I'm going to share the link in the chat so you can download the application, run it on your Windows PC for now, run it on your Windows, look at it. Everything was done with Cloud Code. It created a build. You can install it the same way you will install a regular application on your computer. So let me just stop this. You install a regular application on your computer and then you can use it to analyze your project data. This is the interface. You have the generate history and settings. History, it will show you the project you generated previously on that system. If you check the bottom here, I wrote developed by Olalekan Adieko here. So it works the same way with the one I shared a few days ago. You can upload your data here and then choose your academic level. Can you see? And then put your research title and of course add the objectives. If you have more than this, you can click on the add button here to add more objectives. The same thing with the hypothesis. You can add the hypothesis as many as possible here. You can choose your citation method. You can also choose your Likert threshold. Then you hit generate chapter and it will do this for you. It will generate chapter 4, chapter 5 for you like this. Analyze your data. You can copy it. You can download it in form of Word document. You can download it in form of PDF. But there is something you must do before you use this. Remember, it is using a large language model to perform this analysis. So of course, I did not put my own API key there for you to be using my own money when you're analyzing your data. So that's the only thing that you need to add there. You will go to the settings, or when you launch it for the first time, it's going to go straight to the settings and then show you the different providers. I added these 6 providers here. So you can choose if it's OpenAI that you love to use, you can choose OpenAI. Even in OpenAI, you can decide on the model you want. I am using Anthropic from Claude this time around. So, and I am using the 4.6, which is okay. I can use 4.7. So you will just choose the large language model providers and you copy your API key. That's all you need. Put your API key here and save it. Then you can start generating your chapter 4 or chapter 5. Look at the history. The one I just did now, this is it here. And it gave me other info. I use Anthropic, I use Sonnet 4.6, and it is for master's level. So you can click on it to still revisit what you've done initially. This is mind blowing. Created everything entirely to solve real world problem. So if you are working on projects, undergrad, master's, PhD, or you're just writing a regular journal, you can download this from the link. Go to the settings, choose your preferred large language model providers, get your API key and put it here and continue to generate. And again, I'm adding, this should not replace you. It should just give you like a direction. So you can still, decide not to go with the analysis here, but at least you've got somewhere to start from. To generate your API, you go to your preferred large language models platform. For example, I'm using Claude here now. So you go to platform.claude.com, you'll be able to, just add your card and then use it to generate. You can get $5, just $10, put it there. It's pay as you go. So it's only when you generate a research analysis that you're going to be using your API key. So I'll put the link in the chat. Let me stop the the installation I'm doing. Just install it, put your API key there, and you start using. It's going to store the history there. Let's check it out.